Hi, and welcome to the Synergy Sky Suite video tutorial series. I'm Nick Doyle, the Senior Sales Engineer in the Asia Pacific region for Synergy Sky, and I'll be stepping you through this series. So what will I be covering? To start off with, we'll be here with the quick introduction to Synergy Sky Suite, then split into multiple videos walking through the image deployment within various virtual environments. Next, the series converges back to single videos for network configuration and installation of Synergy Sky Suite itself via SSH, followed by basic configuration via a web browser. To close the series out, I'll also take you through some more configuration options within the suite, as well as how to generate log files if needed for support. So, by way of introduction, Synergy Sky Suite itself is a Linux-based virtual appliance that can be hosted within most virtualized environments. Once deployed, the suite can be configured to provide some or all of the capabilities shown here, depending on you or your customer's requirements. All the information covered in these video tutorials is available on our support pages at support.synergysky.com. Here you can find documentation with more detailed installation and configuration information, as well as additional resources and troubleshooting tools and assistance. I hope you enjoy this video tutorial series, and please feel free to reach out to myself or any of the Synergy Sky team globally for more information, demos, and/or assistance. Thank you.